There is a new version out there for EPM Automate, and it's going to give you a new function to get the substitution variables out of your plan type. So you can see it there. You just pass that get subbar, and you can specify if you want all of your variables, you want them by certain plan type or anything like that. You're able to just basically echo that out of your system, and you could possibly use that with systems that you're integrating within your environment. So for example, if you only wanted to load a current year, you could use this function to get the current year that you have set in your subbars and possibly use that in automation processes that you have with other systems to only pull that specified data that you're looking for. So, but it would require you to update your EPM Automate utility that you have installed. Another thing that it did do is the error codes that are associated with any errors that come through the tool have also been updated. So the numbers basically have been shifted. So basically an error code that was 0 is now 1 and was 2 is now 3 basically. That seems to be the general idea of what they did there. That can be important within your automation if you have automation that looks for very specific error codes to maybe notify you in some way. It's something that would be good to review within your environment before you actually experience an issue and you wouldn't recognize that in possibly your automation processes. Another thing to note here, and we will cover this later in the presentation as well, is Oracle will no longer support the old version of EPM Automate. So if for whatever reason you did have an issue with the utility, it wasn't working properly or anything like that, the first thing that Oracle support will ask you to do is to upgrade to the newer version of EPM Automate. So again, just to get ahead of any issues that you may have around that, it would make sense to just upgrade that utility. And again, I will cover what that looks like and what that would mean later on in the presentation here.